In today's spotlight, stock market investing. Picture it as a marketplace, a bustling bazaar where shares of publicly traded companies exchange hands. Your investment portfolio can be a mix of various stock types: growth stocks from companies expected to outpace the average, value stocks, often undervalued gems, and income stocks, your frequent dividend payers. Remember, in this world of investing, higher returns often dance with higher risks. It's paramount to gauge your risk tolerance. Ready to dive in? Open a brokerage account. This will be your platform to buy and sell stocks. With countless online brokers, pick one that resonates with your preferences. But before you plunge, research is your ally. Scrutinize the companies, their financial health, their growth potential. Informed decisions are the cornerstone of successful investing. And that's your primer on stock market investing. It's a journey, so pace yourself, stay enlightened, and invest within your means. Here's to your investing journey. Keep your eyes peeled for more investment wisdom.